When driving, having a clear view is important so you can see what's ahead. And Ace Auto Glass has been serving Hawaii and Guam since 1975, ensuring that all windshield replacements are done with the best and safest recommendation. They were voted by you and awarded first place for Best Auto Glass Repair. Ace Auto Glass is a family-owned 3-generation company. Started by Frank and Grace Tamaye, their mission is to treat every customer's vehicle as if it were their own. With their full glass service menu, they can make repairs on your windshields, side mirrors, and take care of all of your auto glass needs, with a convenient repair process so you and your family can be safe on the road.
So one of my family members, she was driving on a highway and unfortunately a rock actually hit her windshield. So she had to go and call somebody, and Ace Auto Glass was there to help her out. The process was really easy, just went online, we got a free quote, and we were able to schedule an appointment right then and there to take it in and get the repairs done.
And when it's time for your repair, Ace Auto Glass provides quality service by having the only Auto Glass Safety Council certified technicians in Hawaii.
So we noticed that the customer service was really good. We walked in there, we noticed that there was like all this new technology that they use. They were actually using this iPad to actually like calibrate certain things, and it was really cool. I mean, pretty interesting. I've never seen that before, so.
As vehicles advance, the technology to repair them needs to as well. Newer vehicles are now equipped with cameras on the glass, and every time the windshield glass is replaced, the cameras must be recalibrated too. Ace Auto Glass has the technology to recalibrate the cameras, ensuring proper alignment so that your vehicle is back and ready for the road.
So I would totally recommend them to family and friends or anybody else who needs auto glass repair. Even though there are a lot of customers here, they made us feel like we were the only ones there.